Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Adam Houston here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. Well, we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. We're going to be looking at stock right away. The stock is Barracuda Networks Inc. And a couple of things that came to mind on this stock is, one, you can see I've already drawn in a long-term negative line right here. You can see this downtrend line, which starts from the very high. And they're the points we talked about right here. And we see the breakout which has occurred right there, and we started on the upside. A couple things also, we have a trade triangles that are all positive, and let me just put those on for you. So right here, so we have a plus 100, plus 90, which is a very strong upward trend. And also, if we take off this line here, I'll just close it off, put a Fibonacci in here. And you can see somewhere between the 50% and the 61.8% level. I think 30 is a good level to be looking at, simply because that's the previous high right here close to it. So that would kind of make sense. It's a big psychological number. So we're currently trading around 1948. I would say give the market maybe a couple of days. We're very overbought right here on the RSI, so I think we'll see a pullback there, but nonetheless I think the trend is clearly up on this stock. You've broken over the trend line. You have all of our trade triangles positive, you can see right here, and also you've got some nice Fibonacci numbers to go for. So even if you buy it, let's say at 1860, which is what we're suggesting, and we get up to 30, it's still a great return on your capital. So let's see how that plays out. But that is Cuda, or Cuda, Woulda, Shoulda, Barracuda Networks Inc. Check it out. I think you may like the results. But remember, don't get married to any stock. You're a lover in the marketplace, and you can have a little relationship, short-term relationships, longer-term relationships, but nonetheless, you're going to move on and look for your next date. So we're seeing a little bit of a pullback in gold, which is not unexpected. The 50 line is going to be where we're going to find support in that market. We're currently trading, I would say, let's just take it down just a notch. Currently trading at 56, so we're getting close to support area. I just give this market a couple more days, and we want to be looking to buy gold and get on the gold train. We still think it's going to go higher. 1390 to 1400 is our next target zone. If we see a pullback on this, we may get a, let's just go from the highs down to the recent lows. So yeah, maybe these levels right here we could see. Pull that out so we can get a better idea. Maybe another $10 lower, maybe a little lower, but generally speaking, I think we're going to find support at the 50 level. That's going to be more important than these levels here. That's the RSI level, because you can see how I just captured the move right there. So still bullish on gold. Short term, you should be out of gold because of a daily signal. That's what we use for timing. So you may want to watch the daily trade triangle. If it turns green, you want to be long, get long gold. It looks like it wants to go higher. This is Cuda. I've already drawn in the Fibonacci line. I showed you this in the last couple of videos, but look at where the market rallied from that support area of the 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci area. This is a turn in the market, not a complete turn, but it is a turn. Our trade triangles just turned green on the daily, meaning you should be out of the market to 60%, our 60 score trading range. We covered our short position. We were short from, let's see here, 47.90. We covered it at 44.53. So it's a very nice profit of $2,500 a contract. So again, look for this market to base out here, eventually start moving higher. We're looking at the Dow, and you can see we've had a nice strong up move. There's our signal to be a buyer, 18,011. Currently trading at 18,347, so a nice little profit in there already. But again, we did not take a stance based on our trade triangles. They were basically neutral. We wanted to be neutral on the market. When we kicked in, and the weekly coincided with the monthly, that was the time to be a buyer. Even the NASDAQ's getting in on the act. You can see the monthly that kicked in yesterday at 4,980. We're over 5,026 right now. So the market continues to be very strong, plus 100. Cheap money is fueling this market, and as long as it's there, we're probably going to see the markets go higher. So let's see how things play out. But check out Cuda. I think it could be a good stock. And look at some of the other stocks we talked about. We talked about TERP, which is the other stock we talked about. That's up today at 1.5%. So things are looking pretty good. So I'm Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to check out our blog. If you want to leave a comment or have some thoughts on the markets, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.